Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule Instagram post on PC. So if you go and log into your Instagram account here on your PC, and if you want to schedule a post right here, so basically you have to go to create a post and then add your picture or video that you wanted to post here on your Instagram. However, if you go to your Instagram, even if it's personal or business or creator account here on your PC, you cannot see that schedule post. So I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to post this one or schedule a post like this. Tap on next. Okay, and then you can enter caption, okay, filter. But basically, if you are done with this, and then if you go to advanced option, unfortunately, there is no scheduled a post here on your Instagram, here on your PC. So what you're going to do is you have to go to Meta Business Suite and you need to create an account here, or you can just basically log in to your Instagram as one of the choices or option here is Instagram. So log into your Instagram, log in your Instagram here, make sure that it has the same account that you are using earlier. So here you have to scroll down and tap on content. And then after that, you can now create a post. You can go to schedule a post right here or schedule. Now, if you see schedule a post, you have to tap on that. If not, then all you have to do is to tap on create a post. At the top, you have to click this. And then here is where you're going to add your picture or add your video. You can add a caption first or a title of your post right here. And then after that, you can just add the video or picture or photo. And then once you're done uploading the media, you can now scroll down and you will see this schedule or scheduling option. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap on this calendar icon or tap on the date here, and then you can change that. So for example, you want to schedule this to the specific date and time. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on schedule. You can finish it one later if you want, but you have to tap on schedule. And as you can see, it's now scheduling your post. And basically that's it. That's how easy it is to schedule Instagram posts on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.